Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. So in this video we are going to be doing one of my favorite pastimes, and let me hear it. Let me hear if you guys know. Okay, well, I'm gonna tell you. We are gonna be stuffing cash envelopes for this paycheck that I just received on Friday, and that's pretty much it. Quick announcement. I haven't been doing the shout outs lately because I've been just a tad bit overwhelmed, but I'm working on finding me a system to make sure that I am doing these shout outs and making sure that I'm responding, because I haven't been responding as quickly as I normally do, and that's because work has kind of been a bit demanding, and then I'm got my own thing going on, so I'm gonna get back on it. Trust me, even like with my video schedule, even that's been a little shaky, but I'm doing my best to kind of get back on track and to create some systems and some routines in place that will make sure that I'm more consistent. So first, let me just say I do apologize with that. So let's go ahead and get started. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna empty my wallet from my last paycheck before we go ahead and stuff our new envelope. So let's go ahead and open my wallet here and see what we got. So we have the donations envelope left and the shopping envelope left, and then we also have all of this change. So if you are not aware, not only am I doing the $5 challenge, but I'm also doing the coin challenge, which basically means that I'm saving all of my coins, and at the end of the year I will cash those coins in, and then don't know what I'll do with that money. But so this is the coins that I had left over, and I actually also have coins in here as well, so I'm gonna have to put these coins away in the jar and see if I have any more. I do have more. Let me get all this out of here. Alright, those are all of the coins that I have. So I am going to put these coins away. And then here I have my shopping envelope, and what's left in here is $106. Now there's still some things that I need to get from Costco. So really the only thing I'm gonna do is take this $5 bill out, because I'm saving all of my $5 bills. And you know what? Hey, I'll take that $1 bill out as well. I'll put the $100 back in here so that I can get what I need from Costco. So I'm just gonna save this money in there. And then donations, I have $2 left in here. And that's really all I was left with, you guys. Not much. So $8. So now I have a jar here that I'm putting all of my $5 bills in. At first I was saving them in a cash envelope, but I did go to the Dollar Tree and I purchased this mason jar just to put the money in. So let's go ahead and fill it. So once this jar gets full, like full, then I'll take the money out and then I'll transfer it. So I'm just gonna set that right there. And then the coins, my jar is actually somewhere else. So let me go put the money in there. Alright, you guys, so I know that you were not able to see me put the coins away because I'm actually using that jar. I'm just be 100 right now. I'm using that jar to hold my light down, so I couldn't get it. But this is a jar that I save all of my coins in, and it's actually almost filled to the rim now. So once that jar is filled, then I'm gonna use this jar to continue to save my coins in for the rest of the year. It's kind of cute, huh? It's a cute jar. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. I did want to show you guys what I put my coins in. So now let's go ahead and start stuffing our cash envelopes. So I had to use this sticky note here because I need to print out more of my cash envelope forms. And so in the meantime, I just did this here, which was much easier for me to do. So I'm taking my cash out right now, and then I'm just gonna set it up. And the way that I'm gonna set it up is just like this. So bear with me while I get this set up. All right, so we have all of the money set up, and you probably can't see all of it because I got my candle right here. So I want you to be able to see all of the money here. There we go. So let's go ahead and get to stuffing. So the first thing that we're gonna stuff is my grocery envelope. And this envelope is gonna get one $100 bill. It's gonna get two 20s and one 10. So we're going to fill this envelope here and put it to the side. All right, next envelope is gonna be hair. So that envelope gets $200. I'm gonna be getting my hair braided. Well, I actually already got my hair braided. I just need to put the money. So I'm gonna put it there. And then I'm also gonna, I have another $20 that's going towards hair. So I'm gonna put this in here. So that one's filled. Next is gonna be the gardener. And the gardener gets $50. All right. And then next is going to be my business envelope. This business envelope is going to get a total of $70, a $50 bill, and a $20 bill. Okay. So that one goes in there. And so I need to deposit this money into the account because what I already have, so that there's some things that I need to do, but I'm gonna need to do it from my account. So actually, let me right here. Today is the 30th. And I am putting in a total of $70. So total I have in here 100, 40, 50, 60, 76. 176. And I'm not sure where this dollar came from, honestly. So I'm just gonna put this dollar in my envelope. I mean in this jar, because I don't know where it came from. It just doesn't make sense. So here I should have 140. So this is 140, 190, 210. So I must have used some of it. And what I'm gonna start doing is making sure that I put what I spend as well. 140, 50, 60, 70. So this is wait. I don't know where I got 6. 100, 40, 50, 60, 70. So it's actually 170. Okay, and I need to go deposit this so that I can handle some business things that I need to handle. All right. Next is going to be my personal envelope, which is my allowance. And there I'm gonna get $50, which is 2 20s and a 10. You see, this was empty. I did a little bit of spinning. I'm having a little snafu with my envelopes, but I definitely will be creating my own finally, and I'm so excited about it. And I will let you guys know, just to kind of give you guys a little sneak peek. Here it is, I'm creating my own. Isn't that so cute? I'm creating my own, I love it. So this is a little sneak peek. Yeah, you guys got a sneak peek. So then next is going to be car registration, and that's gonna get $20. So in here we already have 60, and now we have 80. So we're doing good here. You know that my car registration is due in September. I don't know how much it is. I'm just saving enough to have $200. So once it's done, it comes, I can just handle it. And then next is medical. So this one's gonna get $10. So in here, I have $60. So my daughter is going to therapy right now, so I'm having to pay a $25 copayment every time that I go. So I just paid. So actually, I didn't write it down, but I should have. So actually, I have $70 because I did just pay a co-payment for her. Just putting that off to the side. And then next is gonna be birthdays. So this envelope actually has 0 because what I decided to do, let me take the birthdays get 20. Yeah, what I decided to do was I have to stuff my 12-month challenge envelope. And I had forgot to stuff it. So I was just finding money because I didn't budget for it. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna take from birthday money because I don't think I'm gonna be going to any birthdays anytime soon, like any birthday parties or anything like that. So I took from the birthday envelope and then from the Planner Girl envelope. Another thing, I was just like, you know, I just don't see myself buying any planner stickers right now. And this is gonna get $20. So I just decided to take the money from there to stuff my envelope, to help with stuffing it. And then next is going to be donations. And let me get my donations envelope there, and this gets $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is gonna get $10 here. All right, so we are all stuffed and we are ready to conquer the new week, or the new couple weeks. So I'm super excited. Oh, I didn't put the healthcare one back in here. Let me put that back. So that is pretty much it for this video. I just want to let you guys know, be safe out there. I know that they're doing a lot of looting. Here in LA, they actually put a curfew out for us, and I think in some other cities as well. So just definitely be safe out there. You know, I'm a Black woman, and it's just horrible, you know, what is going on, what we have to deal with, you know, just by being Black. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And order of business, we didn't talk about you subscribing to my channel, so make sure that you hit the subscription button. And then also please make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you know that when I do upload a video, you get kind of notified. And then also please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you learned something, please let me know down in the comments what you learned, or if you liked it. You don't have to let me know if you didn't like it, but if you did like it, let me know. Thank you so much for staying to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.